After we've been in the pool, there's usually just no place to put the wet clothing. So I usually just drape it all over the chairs, and that doesn't really give them much air to circulate around them so that they dry. Now I've got this wonderful solution, which is this hanger with clips, and it's portable. You can take it traveling. It folds up, goes in your suitcase. I want to thank the brand so much for sending me this sample so that I could try this out. It works really great. I just happen to have this wire shelf here next to the pool, and the hangers will just hang on the edge of it like that. And the swimsuits can drip dry, and they've got room for the air to circulate all around them. And pretty soon the sun will be in this area. I can even hang a heavy wet towel on these, and they're really sturdy. This weighs a lot because it's wet, really wet. So it's a good solution. Let me show you how I use this. This is how it comes. This one's flat, it's open, and all you do is you take a hanger and you lay it on the hanger and fold it over, and then just press it, and the Velcro sticks it tight so that it won't come off. This is very sturdy material. They're really made good. And then you've got all these 6 hooks to hang things. Well, as you saw, I was hanging the swimming things after we'd been in the pool, and I had this beach towel on one. Let me show you how I hang a towel on this hanger. These beach towels are so big that I fold it in half. So I've got the 2 open ends here. And I take the hanger and I start at one end, and I put, like I'm putting this one on the back side, this one on the front, the next one on the back, and just alternating so that it will hang evenly and be balanced so that the heavy weight is distributed, because when one of these towels is soaking wet, it's really heavy. But this is a really sturdy hanger. It worked really good. And this is like vinyl covered, so it's going to last a long time. You could also use this in your closet. You could hang scarves, socks, gloves, lots of little things. And they'd be great for camping or a dorm room. Or if you were staying overnight in a hotel and needed to wash something out to wear the next day, you could just use this on a hanger and probably hang it on the shower head in the bathroom. It would also make a great gift. It's so handy, and it's made so well. You might like to try one of these yourself.